Alright, so today I'm in Vancouver, Washington at the CCC Finch Small Bird Show, and we're at the Red Line. Maybe it was the former Red Line or still is a Red Line, I'm not sure. We're gonna look at some birds and have some fun. Gotta be quiet though. There's birds, listen. You hear them? They're in there. It's $2 to get in, and like I said, I'm in Vancouver, Washington. Here we go. Yeah. Hey there. One.
And here's, if you fill that out and put it in a box,
Oh, okay.
that's the door prize for the bird.
Gotcha. And then just put it in here?
Put it right in here.
Cool.
There you go.
Thank you. Okay, in here I think we got some judging. Check this out. Some Canary judging. Those are all some judging panels there. Like they got them in these special boxes. Huh. So I filled out a raffle ticket, and the raffle can win a couple things, maybe some birds, and yeah, so this is just judging right here. And then over here there's, I guess, birds for sale? I'm not really 100% sure, but I guess we'll walk around. And then we'll also probably go look at the river, the Columbia, I guess? I don't know, I'm not from down here, so we'll check that out too. Some bird art. Okay, so here's some raffle prizes, I guess. Oh, so you buy the raffles and then you put them in these cups. I don't know if you guys can hear me. And then you win the prize. So I did one raffle. I think that was for a bird. But here's some other prizes you can win. Check that out. So they got a pretty good raffle spread. Oh my gosh, all the way over here too. Like, I know we'll get to the birds in a second, I guess. Just keep looking. Actually, I want to look out the window. Check this out. Oh, they got some prizes over there. Look out here. Holy cow, is that a river? Look at that. Holy cow. And I guess that's Oregon over there. Or maybe a little further. I'm not sure. Huh. He's judging. Check it out. We got a winner. Ooh, buddy, we got a winner. Let's see, let's get a little closer. Here we go. Look at that. Shh. Judging session. Ooh, that's a pretty finch. Check that out. Ooh, nice. Those are my numbers. I think I won. Yes! Okay, so far I've just been kind of trolling, so I guess now I'm going to walk around and actually look at the birds. Now this room's kind of it's not the biggest room in the world, and the show's not the biggest show, but I guess finches are small, so maybe it kind of is like a big kind of demonstration of the birds or show of the birds, but it's pretty nice. The location's cool. I like the views. But yeah, like I said, I'm done trolling. Now it's time to look at some finches and other stuff. Cockerelkies and some soft-billed birds should be the types that are here. Did that make any sense? I don't know. Let's go look.
18 by 10 about. Here it is in the winter, and here it is in the summer. And then I have live food for them. I raise fruit flies. So as humans, we're wearing a lot of sunscreen. So how are we gonna, hold on to the calcium?
We got some yellow finches. I want to know.
Well, there was your wife.
Oh, cute. And here's my favorite birds.
Parrot.
Right here.
Oh, okay. What is he selling for? You don't know? Not gonna say.
Don't worry, they're hand fed.
Ooh,
Yeah.
English
So
budgies.
they're going to be tamer than these.
Oh, really?
But she sells them for
Oh, wow.
$2.15.
Yeah. But these aren't. How come? And they all came from you? These ones aren't.
No,
Ooh, look at those. Like from the computer monitor. They used to have those little birds right there. Check that out. These ones are sold. Huh.
That was your idea, right?
The cockatoo. Chip, chip, chip. Chip, chip.
Right. Yeah.
Check that guy out. Look at that.
We run out the little ones. I used to have about 4 inches and 8 inches. You need a box for
40.
Si hay ahorita disponibles, ellos los prendieron.
Whoa.
No valen mucho, o sea, ya cuando empiezan mano a mano, le ponen caros. Te das cuenta que uno vale
That's a
como
riverboat.
30, 50.
Check that out, riverboat.
Empieza en mano, de repente cuesta
Whoa.
$100 cada uno.
Alright, so look at that. Joshua by the sea. Look at that. What up, dude? Okay, so I walked around. I'm probably just gonna kind of like play that as like a long clip where I walked around, looked at the birds. A little shaky, not that great. It's kind of weird because the people are sitting right by their birds. There might have been about 25 vendors selling birds. This is going on, I believe, 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. The birds look pretty nice. The prices are pretty good. And you're getting them from breeders. So not like necessarily a farm or a mill. So I think I'm almost done here. I only spent maybe about 20 minutes walking around. I'm not gonna get anything, of course. I'm probably gonna go look around the city a little bit. Maybe get some more shots in here, but I don't know. Kind of interesting, I guess. I did another Expo up in like Kent or Renton. I'll link that above here in the information bar if you want to check that out. If you're closer to Seattle, that might actually be easier to get to than this one because this is Vancouver. I did about maybe 90 miles one way. Started about Seattle and drove straight. So it's kind of a drive to get down here. Yeah, let's see what else we got going on. Maybe we'll watch some more judging. I don't know. We'll see. So back there we got the ones that are competing. They keep the good stuff in the back. We're stuck out here on the floor with the common folks. But look, there's the promised land over there behind the judging table. Look at that. Premium canaries and finches, lovebirds, all back there, and we're stuck over here. This guy's up for donation? He's so cute. Can't get him in focus. Look at that guy. He's like looking at us too, look. So cute. Look, he's dancing. Whoa. What is he doing? Whoa. Oh, is he trying to court? That was cute. So check it out. Look at this giant. So this is outside the bird show at the Red Line, or formerly Red Line. I don't know what's going on. It's kind of odd. The hotel. Look at that. It's kind of old school. Okay, so yeah, it says the Red Line back there. Dude, it's cold. I'm gonna go look at the river. Columbia River. There's a poultry. I'm not really from this area. from north. I'm a northerner. You know what I'm saying? North don't forget. It's like a Game of Thrones thing. I think I'm using the internal mic in my camera today. Check that out. I'm using the internal mic because I didn't want to scare the birds. So hopefully the audio is not garbage. Look at this. What this used to be, like a drive-out hotel or something. Look at that. Yeah, hopefully we're not getting wind noise. Actually, because I don't have the wind guard on my camera either. I feel like we are getting wind noise. If we are, sorry. Sorry. But it's pretty dope. Check that out. Alright, let me get one of those without me and the potential wind shot. So here we go, check it out. Look at this. This is like a. Check this out. So that's the hotel. I was having the bird event. There's like this giant circle thing with all these seats. I don't know. Do they do like boat shows out here? Probably, right? Some seasonal boat show. Something on this water. This is a fat river. Fat river. Boy. Look at that. Damn, it's windy and it's cold out here. That's the downside to doing videos in Washington in the winter time. Fall and winter, gets cold as heck. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna get some photos and then I'm out of here, guys. Thanks for watching. It's kind of cool out here though, I kind of like it. I'm gonna get some photos. Later! Okay, so in the Red Lion, which has a lot of history and looks really interesting, they got stuff all over inside. There's a room that looks kind of like a pirate ship, and it's next to a restaurant. I'm gonna show you that. Might cut the audio though, because they're playing music on the radio, so I'm going to show you that real quick, and then I think we're going to get out of here. So, check it out.